Hi, today I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Office completely for free. Okay, you can actually go to Microsoft website here. Okay, and then you can just sign in. You can actually get all this, you see, free access, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, in fact, Outlook, all your Microsoft Office completely for free. Just sign in, create an account in Microsoft. Okay, um, in outlook.com or Hotmail account. You can also come into here and then sign up for free. Okay, sign up for free, click on the sign up for free, and then you just log in with your email address. Log in to your Microsoft account. Okay, outlook.com. You can go to outlook.com and register your account if you don't have an account, or just sign up for free. Just need an email to sign up. And then once you sign up, right, you sign in, you come into this dashboard. Now Microsoft actually integrate with their Microsoft 365 to their Copilot AI. So now your Office actually is integrated with AI, and all your Office applications here, you can access all this: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, OneNote, all for free. Okay, like this Word document, completely for free. It's all online. You click on this Word document, it will open this portion. You can actually create a document over here, or you can edit the document like this. This is the one I opened just now. Yeah, you can use their templates over here. Okay, so basically what it is, create a blank document, or you can upload a file. You can upload a file and things like that. All this completely for free. You can edit and write by there, things like that. You can do all your formatting all here, exactly the same as Microsoft Office. Okay, see all the fonts? Yeah, you can do all this completely for free. Okay, can do my formatting, all this for free using the online version of Office for free. Okay, then I can also go my Excel. Okay, you can create a blank document, or you can upload your Excel file and edit it, and then you can also use the templates that are available all here. Okay, now they have Copilot integrated as well, so you can do your Excel charts and analysis and all that. So for example, I create a Excel spreadsheet. You ask to sign in to your account. It's completely free, don't have to pay a cent. Okay, and then by the way, you can also autosave. It's already autosave in the cloud. You can also share your document. Okay, you can also open file. Okay, open your file from device or open from wherever you are. Okay, then share with people. So whatever you're working is all autosave. So all my spreadsheet data, for example, 1, 2, 3. I can do my formulas. It's working. Okay. So it's that easy. All the formattings are done. Okay, your Excel is done. Your page layout, formulas, data, you can do sorting and, all that. Okay, you can do queries. formulas. Okay, so Excel. Then you can do PowerPoint as well online, all for free. Meanwhile, if you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Then you can use all these templates for free. You can create a blank presentation. Now just sign in. Okay, your PowerPoint presentation, you can start working on your PowerPoint slides all here for free. Okay, so you can do your PowerPoint slides. And there's Outlook, email, and all that. Oh, okay, Teams and all this. So there you go. You get Microsoft Office.